Look at these beautiful stars. Get the crap out of me, that.
It's just the edge of the map.
Yeah.
Oh.
Go, 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 go! Oh! It made me flinch, man. I'm a pussy. No, they're the same because I got the tape off the first row.
I've simply walked up the wall. So, I'm not even joking with
I
you.
know, I saw it. I do it this end of the map. Come on. Hey, can you hear like a buzzing sound? Hit him wherever you're on. Freaking hell! What belling? This guy jumps up every single time! You're going right past it. Yeah, no, it's behind his head.
There it is.
The little bugger's there!
Here it is, I'm back here.
Yeah, the
Nah, I can't
Oh,
hear
no.
him buzzing. Oh,
He popped up on my screen! Oh, we can go outside? That's sick. Nice headshot, what? 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 Supposed to go against each other and like see who can find the most, but you see, we're that much pussies, we don't wanna. I don't know where the frig I am. Hey Hayden, that's what you look like. The guy in the left. That's you.
there it is.
Right, you get it. Oh, cheeky little bugger! He popped up at me, but he's there again! He's behind you! Funny! Don't. Oh, we're back in this room.
Oh shit!
How did he end up near me? It's dangerous to go. Where have you gone? Hayden. Hayden!
Where is he? Where is he?
Hayden! Hayden! Hayden, forget me! Hayden! Hayden, please! Hayden! Hayden, our screen's fuzzy! Hayden, please, come on. Please. Hayden! Hayden, where are you? Please, Hayden.
I'm dead.
Oh!
I'm dead.
Oh! A, B, C, D, E, F, G. The shadow scared the crap out. I'm scared, he coughed and I just jumped out my seat, man. Hayden, I found some coffins, man.
There's one.
He's there! Hayden, is he still there? He's looking at me.
I can't see him.
Oh, nice headshot. Edge. What the freak's that? Look at this guy.
Look at this kid.
That's what friggin' who does that look like?
Oh.
It's Asher, yeah, it's Dan.
Right, two more. Two